Guys, back with another video today, and making slime for you guys. So I'm using shaving cream, food coloring, glitter, and Tide and glue. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first let's pour the glue. I'm not gonna put that much because I'm not gonna make it like a big slime like other people do. Just make it like a little slime. That's enough for this thing. Put the lid back on. Okay, so now we're gonna put the food coloring with this spoon. I just bought this, so yeah. I didn't buy those ingredients, so I just bought the food coloring. So I need to open it. So yeah, I'm gonna be using blue for the slime, the color blue. Yeah, you know. So yeah. Yes. It's open now. Let's open the box. I don't know why I just picked it up. Okay, so blue right here. I got the blue right here. I got blue right there. Look at me. Oh my god. That's it. Okay, that's how much blue I'm gonna put. Like I want it to be like a darker blue, but not that dark because it's gonna look ugly. So yeah, let's just mix it up. Oh, yo, that's a cool blue. No, that looks like teal blue. I don't know, but that's like this is one of my favorite colors. This looks like this dark blue one look like Tide, but ooh, this looks cool. If the Tide is gonna be all blue, but let's just get those blue slides over there. Mix it. So second, let's put our silver glitter. Let's put it in. I'm just gonna put a little bit because a lot is way too big. There you go. That's how much I'm gonna put. And let's just like mix it up. So I can mix up. Oh, this is like bad. But whatever. It's still glue. Watch it when it's gonna form. So yeah, I'm gonna use the shaving cream right now. The Gillette or whatever, I don't know.
Gillette.
Yeah, that. So yeah, we're opening the shaving cream right now. Look at this, okay? 3, 2, 1. Whee! That's it. I don't have to put a lot of shaving cream, but if you want to, you could. But just put this. Okay. Let's mix it up. And then after this, we're gonna add some Tide. Actually, we have to add some Tide first. So first, you see this thing? Use this. Let me just switch this up a little bit so I can see like the measurement. I don't know. Like okay, here the measurement. Don't put like a lot. Put like up to there, and then that's good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, that's good. Like if it's too soft, you have to add more, but not like a whole cup, cause like a little bit of the same amount, but like a lower. Okay, it's mixing, guys. See, it's forming right now. Let's just get all of this. Oh, this is gonna be fluffy slime. I made a slime last time. I'm gonna show you when I'm done with the slime. Yeah, I didn't record it. It was yesterday, but yeah. It's forming. Let's just mix it a lot. So like, it just so the white stuff goes away. This is a lot. This is enough Tide. So yeah, I'm gonna show you when it's done forming. So see you later.